Hey there, fashion and style enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a topic that's got me intrigued. Princess Kate's iconic cap, Ponytail, and how it showcases her natural beauty. Let's get into it. So, imagine this. The Prince and Princess of Wales are out and about in London, visiting various landmarks and engaging with the public. As the day progresses, Kate, with her impeccable sense of style, decides to switch up her look. She ties her hair back in a sleek ponytail, and it's a game changer. Now, here's the fascinating part. This simple hairstyle does more than just keep her hair out of her face. It's a strategic move that highlights her stunning bone structure. As she joins her husband for a boat ride, the ponytail frames her face perfectly, drawing attention to her natural features. It's a brilliant example of how a small change can make a big impact. Personally, I think it's a genius move. By pulling her hair back, Kate allows her natural beauty to shine through. It's a fresh, sporty, and elegant look all at once. And the best part? It's so relatable. We've all had those days when we want to feel put together, but also comfortable. And this hairstyle ticks all the boxes. What makes this ponytail even more impressive is its balance. It sits at a flattering mid-height, lifting her face and keeping the overall look youthful and modern. It's a perfect blend of practicality and style, which is something we can all appreciate. Now, here's something I find fascinating. Princess Kate has always been known for her practical yet chic hair choices. She never follows fleeting trends, and this ponytail through the cap is a prime example. It's a simple, refined look that showcases her healthy, glossy hair. It's a testament to her understanding of her own style and what works best for her. So, what can we learn from Kate's iconic ponytail? Well, it's a reminder that sometimes less is more. By embracing our natural features and making simple, strategic choices, we can enhance our beauty and feel confident. It's a great lesson in self-expression and embracing our unique assets. I hope this little insight into Princess Kate's hairstyle has inspired you. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you and having fun with your look. Until next time, stay stylish and keep shining.